Hello friends, welcome to Simplify Your Tech. If you are looking for a simple, clear and effective tech tips for your iPhone, Windows and more, you are in the right place. Are you ready to experience the latest features of iOS 26? In this video, I will show you how to install iOS 26 on your iPhone, whether it's official release, public beta or developer version. Let's get it started. First of all, in today's video, we will do three things. First, what we need to do before installing. Second, step-by-step instruction to install the iOS 26. Third, what things you should know before the installation of iOS 26. Things we need to do before the installing the iOS. The first one, to check your iPhone compatibility. Tap on settings, scroll down, tap on journal, tap on about, and make sure your iPhone model is iPhone 11 or onwards. After that, go back to the settings, tap on your Apple account, scroll down, tap on iCloud, scroll down, tap on iCloud backup. Turn this option on. So in case you have any bug or glitches with the iOS 26, so you can revert back to your iOS 18. Now go back. Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection and your iPhone is on charge or with at least 80% battery. In case you don't have enough iCloud storage, so you can back up your iPhone by iTunes in your PC or your MacBook. Connect your iPhone via wire and tap on this small icon. Here you will get an option backup now in case you face a glitches or lag in iOS 26, so you can use this backup to downgrade to the iOS 18. Let's move to the step-by-step instructions how you can install iOS 26 public or beta version. Swipe down, tap on Safari, open a new tab, go to beta.apple.com. Scroll down, tap on sign in. It will sign in with your Face ID. Make sure you are under iOS tab. Scroll down, tap on enroll your iOS device. Again scroll, tap on beta updates. This will take you to the settings, or alternatively you can go to the settings manually. Public beta options will be available. iOS 26 and iOS 18 public beta. Tap on back. Now it's give you an option to install iOS 26. To download and install, tap update now. It will require you a passcode. And it will start downloading iOS 26 beta. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and leave your question or suggestions in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Simplify Your Tech for more helpful tips and tricks. Goodbye. See you in the next video with another smart tip.